Alright gang, going handheld again. And no, I have not got a tripod at the shop yet. And it occurred to me just now that if I had a tripod, I could set it up and show you some of this different handwork that we're doing here on this stuff. But that's my fault. I'm gonna get us one, and then you can share in our failures and successes as far as cutting and welding and etc. But I need to show you a little bit of what we're doing with the skeleton around this toolbox. Stay tuned. Okay, this is looking at the back of the box. And I'll try to find the picture I took. On the end down here where the box goes up against the frame, there was a boss right here. So we can't extend past the edge of this plate with our framework. But closer study of the picture, I will be able to run a brace down to the side. We're going to put angles along the bottom, and I have those marked to coat. I got the corners here marked where we're going to just blow that heel off and that leg. And then I screwed up right here. I'm going to blow this heel off and this leg, make a left and a right. I have two more similar pieces here marked. We're going to cut that out and let it finish out flush. And that edge line, when it cuts, it should finish up against the inside edge of that plate there. I hate to be so wobbly and get everybody dizzy. But the 3x3 will run down. The 3x3 will run down the back. The 2x2 is notched so it fits into the leg of it on the bottom, goes down the sides. We're going to cradle the back with a piece of angle. And then again, we're going to come with a smaller piece of angle, probably 1.5 inches by 1/4, and cradle the front. And then this side's going to have the same similar brace going down, catching the angle here all the way up to the 3x3 at the top. All right, from the inside looking out, it looks like we're supposed to have some weather moving in. We got red and yellow all the way around us. Just a shot of the shop out into the yard. It's just starting to tinkle, and we are surrounded. Alright, I had to shut the door a little bit due to the rain blowing in. This side fits up like I thought. I needed about a 1/4 inch overhang on this step in. Run down. There's my cope. I slipped up. I burned a little extra out under here. I'll have to fill that in with weld. Thunder is rolling. This side though, this is the original, the first side. It fits up tight. This side swings out. There's probably a 3/16 of an inch gap, maybe. Big 3/16 right there. I don't know if the aluminum box is warped or we got the back on just right or what, I don't know. So my choices are cut these lower tacks and swing this piece that way some, hinge it on this tack up here, and then that'll allow this end possibly to end out where it's supposed to be. But who knows if the aluminum box was built square, you know, given the quality of the back ripped off of it, it's up for grabs as far as it was square in the first place. Anyway, our deal is we got the angle running down and across. We're going to put a brace here, and then, like I said, one across that step on the front, cradle it in on the back. It's going to fit. I mean, that's the whole pattern. But that's what we have for now. All right, so we're back at it a week and a piece later. And let me bring you up to speed on this toolbox frame. This is it completed. Here's the backboard. The toolbox is going to sit down inside of it. Of course, it's laying on its back. That's the way it's going to be. But got it painted. The way I tied these corners together, I notched the angle iron out so the vertical fits inside of the horizontal member on the bottom. Make it feel a little bit better on that corner over there on the inside. Banded the outside with some 2x3/8 flat bar. I bowed it against the angle iron flange steel sticking off the side. This is it. Paint's drying on it. One more look. We'll put the box down inside of it in a little bit and show you what it looks like finished. Alright, as I said, this is how it fits in here. This is this toolbox. This is the little skeleton that we built to go around it. And it's setting up on the bed liner right there, so my holes don't exactly line up. But that's the finished product. We got to go install it. I may try to include a snapshot of it hanging on the side of the truck. Just one more glimpse at the side. Then let's shut it. There you go. That was it. This is probably one of the longest running videos. It's taken me about a month to throw this thing together. A piece here and a piece there. And some work on it, some work on something else. And then we finally got it installed. He was happy, we happy. Everything's good. Hope y'all enjoyed it anyway. Like, share, subscribe, comment. This is Mo, damn it. Tire Creek Ironworks out.